Creating a featured product gallery in Squarespace is a great way to highlight select items and improve the visibility of your bestsellers or promotions. Here's how to set one up. Log into your Squarespace account. Go to Squarespace, log in and open the website you want to edit. Navigate to the page you want to add the gallery. Go to the page where you want to display the featured products, such as your homepage or dedicated shop page. Add the gallery block. Click Edit on the page, then click plus to add the new block. Select Gallery from the options. Select the gallery layout. Choose a layout that suits your needs, such as grid, slideshow or carousel. For a product gallery, a grid or carousel is usually most effective. Add products. In the gallery settings, click Add images or add products to upload the images of your featured products. You can link each product to its individual page or product details. Customize the gallery. Customize the look of the gallery by adjusting settings like spacing, hover effects, or display size to make it more appealing. Publish the page. After finishing, click Save or Publish to make the featured product gallery live on your website.